Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, back again with me, Muhammad Miftah Lutfi Rafli, and you can call me Lutfi as well. My student number 21530420003, and I'm from English Department 2021, University of Lampung. So everyone, this video was made to fulfill the final semester examination for the English debate and critical thinking course. In this video, I will discuss a debate match that comes from video that given. I will position myself as an educator by commenting the debate in the video. This video is the Sunway Asian Parliamentary 2023 Open, held at Sunway University, Malaysia. The government is come from Malaysia if you truly team, and the opposition is seceded and seceding team. In this debate, the motion given is quite interesting. The motion of this debate is this household to be poor, knowing your faith. So let's move on to the result. First, the Prime Minister opened the debate with an opinion to the motion and gave a pretty good explanation as a problem. Then the Prime Minister proposed the motion in the form of the importance, the advantages, and the relationship between the society and the faith. He delivered it very well, but I think he was very rushed because maybe he want to maximizing the time available. After that, the leader of opposition also gave his opinion about the motion and gave a comparison of the proposition given by the governments by providing other alternatives such as believe in yourself, about life expectations, and others. After that, the deputy of the government talked about faith and raised two issues. The first issue is the meaning of life, and the second is how it is preparing the individuals for the future. He gave a very good speech and optimized his time well. After that, the deputy of the leading opposition attacked the government's argument by breaking their opinion on faith by discussing about happiness. Of all the participants, I noticed that he was very calm and relaxed in giving the speech, so it was well organized and understandable. And he even responded to all the participants who tried to give POI. After that, the government whip gave their final argument by strengthening out the statement about autonomy and giving an example from a Buddhist community in Bhutan. He then summarized his speech nicely. He gave a very emotional speech, so there was a slight increase in his voice at the end of his speech. After that, the opposition whip also gave their final argument about by discussing empowerment and productivity and summarized the debate points in his closing speech. He also carried his speech in a relaxed manner, gave parables that were very easy to understand and also funny. So from what I noticed, this debate discussed several interesting points, including UBI, or universal basic income, anxiety, and autonomy. These points were proved by the oppositions as provisions to break to break the arguments of the governments. The government seemed to prefer to stick with their arguments and motions, but lack in terms of attacking the opposition's argument. And on the contrary, of opposition continue to attack the government's statements by providing the points above, thus making the government overwhelmed because they had to defend their arguments and also reply to the opposition attack. For example, the opposition gave a statement that if we worry too much about the future, anxiety will arise in person, so that the person will fail to stand in doing something before starting it, even though failing is better than never trying it at all. The participants also gave examples and parables with good logic and were also very well understood by the audience. Overall, The oppositions carried the motion very well, breaking the government's argument very well by providing alternatives, so the oppositions won the match. Maybe that's all of my comment of the video, the debate video. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.